Hello everyone and welcome to Tips World. If you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for new post notifications and updates. And for more details, do not forget to check the links in the description of this video. Without wasting any much time, let's dive directly into our today's episode. So in our today's episode, we are actually navigating you through the steps that you can actually take to improve the performance of your computer by up to 99%. And of course, this is actually episode 2 of this series. You can actually check episode 1 and other series below this video description. And for more details, we have also included links to websites that you can actually check additional details for more tips. So the first today in our list is actually making sure that we make use of our task manager by optimizing it and seeing how we can improve the performance of our computer system. To do so, make sure to come to the search box area of your PC, like as it is here from this area. Just click on it and make sure to type Task Manager. Just as you are trying to type task, you are going to see the displayed box here that says Task Manager. Click on it and you are going to be displayed with this dialog box. Here, we are going to make use of two section menu in this category. Here, we are going to make use of processes and we are also going to make use of startup. But at first, let's come to processes and we make sure that here on processes, you can see that these are actually some of the tools or programs that you have installed on your PC that is actually consuming the CPU of your PC or computer system as well as the memory. These are actually the cause of why the PC performance or your computer performance is actually decreasing by apps that actually are from the back end that you are not using. When you come here on this section, make sure to detect all those apps that you have actually installed on your PC that you are actually not using at the moment. When you notice those apps, make sure to click on those apps. Like example, this app that is here, make sure to click on it, or whatever app that you know that you have installed on your system that you are not running at the moment. Make sure to choose that app and make sure to choose the app and come to End Task. When you click on End Task, that app will be stopped and it will not be consuming CPU speed as well as memory, and the performance of that PC will be improved. So the next step here is to make sure to come to Startup. Click on Startup and you are going to see this area here. What you are going to do here is to make use of these sections that says Startup Impact. This is actually where we are looking at. Make sure to detect all the programs that are installed on your PC that has a startup impact of high or medium. Once as you detect them, make sure to choose, for example, this one here. I am not actually using this at the moment, and the status here is enabled, and you can see that the impact on my PC is medium. And for you, I'm very sure that you are going to see a lot of this kind of apps as well as other programs that are actually putting a lot of weight on your PC system, reducing down its performance. What you need to do is to click or choose all those apps and programs that are actually on your PC in this section and make sure that you disable them, especially the ones that are on high or medium performance. Choose it and make sure that they are being disabled. Choose them and make sure that they are being disabled. Like for example, Microsoft OneDrive, the impact has not been calculated for me, but mostly it is the impact is very high. Make sure to choose it and disable all of them, and this is going to improve the performance of your computer system. So that is the first thing you need to do to improve the performance. Now what you need to do next is to make sure that you come again to this same search area here. Click on it, and this time what you are going to do is to make sure that you type here recovery. Type here recovery. What you are going to do is to type here recovery. So let's type recovery here, and you are going to see this area that says recovery. Click on recovery and you are going to see this dialog box displayed to you. What you are going to do here is to make sure that you come to this area that says Open System Restore. Click on Open System Restore and you are going to be taken to this section. Once as you are here, you are going to restore your system to the previous way it was before, and some of the errors that were before that and some of the errors that you are now facing will be minimized. And this will help to improve the performance of your PC when you choose recommended restore and go to next and make sure that you restore the recommended version as you have seen here, recommended restore. So that is the next thing you need to do. Now what you are going to do next is to make sure that you come to this section that says if you are having a problem with your PC, go to setting and try to reset it. Click here and you are going to be taken to this section. Once as you are here, you are going to see this section that says reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. Of course, this section is very, very important. When you are actually here, make sure to click on Get Started and make sure to choose any of these options here, either to keep your files or to remove everything. Once you choose Keep Your Files and you continue the processing, your system performance will be increased greatly. Next, what you need to do, what you're going to do next is to make sure that you still use this same search area here, but this time you are going to type security and maintenance. Once as you come and type on security, let's type security. Once as you try to type security, you are going to see security and maintenance here as an option. Make sure to choose that and you are going to be taken to this section. Once as you are here, we are going to make use of these two sections here. We are going to make use of the troubleshooting area, which can actually find and fix problems that are actually causing the slowdown of your system performance. And we are also going to make sure of the use of the recovery section here. So first, we are going to choose troubleshoot and we are going to be displayed with this box here. Once as you are here, now we have to make use of fix problems with Windows updates as well as run maintenance tasks and improve power usage. So these three sections that are actually here at the bottom are very, very relevant. Here, if you try to use this one that says fix problem with Windows, if you click here, you are going to see that they are telling you to fix problem with Windows updates. If the problem of slowing down your PC was associated because of an update, then this area will be updated and your PC will be okay. So let's make use of the next, which is actually run maintenance task. Click on it and you are going to see this dialog box. Once as you are here, what you are going to do is to make sure to go to next and you are going to see this area. Issue might be found troubleshooting with administrative permission. Just make sure to troubleshoot this area as an administrator. Click on it and you are going to be taken here where your system will be scanned to see if there are any problem that is causing the slowdown of your PC performance. And if there is any, it will be detected and an option will be given to you to fix those issues. For me, it has been completed, but no issue has been found. So if you have an issue with this area, all those issues will be detected and an option for you to fix them will actually be displayed to you. And of course, after that, you can make use of improve power usage section. Click on it and you are going to be taken here. Now, find and fix problem with your computer power setting to conserve power and extend battery life. Of course, when you are here, just go to next, and if there are any issue, because it might also cause some issue with performance of your PC, make sure to explore additional option, because now I have no error. But if you're having an error, you are going to see it will be detected and you'll be able to fix that error. If you don't see an error, make sure to explore additional option and see if you will be taken here. Once as you are here, you can just come to refresh your PC. Just come to recovery, and just as we explained in the last step, that you can actually come and make sure that you open a system restore and recover and restore your PC, or you actually make sure that you come to this area that says if you are having problem with your PC, go to setting and try to reset it. And of course, this step is very important. Now, what you need to do is to go to power option as the next step. Just go to power. Once as you try to type power, you are going to see power option. make sure to click on power option and you'll be taken to this area. Once as you are here, what you need to do, for most of you, this section is by default on balance, which is recommended. What you need to do is to come to this down-headed arrow button, click on it, and make sure to choose high performance instead of balance recommended. And doing this step will actually improve the performance of your computer system greatly. And of course, if you would like to check additional tips and tricks on how you can actually improve the performance of your system, then make sure to check relevant videos, tutorial, as well as links to site that you can actually see additional details. And to see other episodes of this series, we have also included the link below this video description. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for new post notification and updates. And see you again in our next episode. Bye-bye.